5 AI tools you need to know in 2025. I used to spend hours staring at a blank page, until these tools changed everything. The struggle before AI. Ideas scattered across apps and notebooks. Hours lost on simple thumbnails. Constant writer's block. Keycap 1 ChatGPT, the idea machine. The daunting blank page no longer feels empty, it's an invitation. Let's brainstorm together and turn scattered thoughts into a brilliant plan. I can be your creative partner, helping you bring your most innovative ideas to life. Notion AI, your command center. Organizes messy notes and ideas. Summarizes research instantly. Integrates with Google Drive and Slack. Midjourney, stunning AI visuals. Type your description, right pointing arrow, get 4 unique images. Upscale and refine visuals easily. Perfect for thumbnails and blog headers. Keycap 4 Synthesia, AI video production. Generate professional videos from text scripts. 230 plus avatars and 140 plus languages. Quick explainer videos and social media clips. Bardeen AI, automate the boring stuff. Scrape web data into Notion. Auto-send emails and move data. Saves hours of repetitive tasks. The creative workflow after AI. Chaos right-pointing arrow streamlined and organized. Blank page right-pointing arrow page full of possibilities. Tedious tasks right-pointing arrow automated. The future isn't humans versus AI, it's humans with AI. Like and subscribe for more tips.